Even after the advancement of technology, a massive chunk of population are deprived of it. I am talking about the elderly population aged mostly above 50. Now we are trying to solve this problem by conducting offline trainings. मगर पोजीशन तो चेंज हो गया. We conduct these trainings with the help of collaboration with tech companies, mostly payment companies, mobility companies, and quick commerce companies. And we tell them that once these you acquire these customers, because once they learn this, they're going to be your customer, and your CAC will decrease in this process. And that's how we conduct trainings.